Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, we'll introduce how to set certain fields in a workflow form as required. When a field is set as required, that means you must fill it out in order to submit the form or proceed to the next step. This is typically done to ensure that all necessary information is collected for the workflow to continue smoothly. Let's see how to do it. In Jodoo, there are two methods for you to set certain fields as required, by ticking required in the form designing page and by leveraging the function in the workflow. Let's take a look at each of them. To begin with, a workflow form is prerequisite. Here we take the purchase order update as an example. Option 1. Suppose that we want to set the warehouse field as required. We go to Edit. Click the target field. In Field Properties, scroll down to find Validation. Tick the required. Save the form. Just in case, we go to Workflow to check if the warehouse field is permitted to edit. Yes! Both view and edit permissions are already set. Let's see how it works. We back to the data submitting page and submit a record. If the warehouse field is empty, you can't submit the form and there will a prompt to remind you. Option 2. Use functions to make a field mandatory. In this case, we want to set the order signing date as required. Similarly, we click Edit, go to Workflow. We want to set the required for the Start node, so click it. Go to Node Properties, Proceeding Rules. For what to be submitted, select Date Meeting Conditions. Add Condition. Here we can use the function ISEMPTY to verify if the field value is empty. And also you can set a prompt. When the field value is empty, the prompt will appear to remind you that this field hasn't been filled out. Okay, save the workflow and let's see the effect again. We leave this field as empty and submit the form. We can see the prompt we set is displayed here. Fill in the field and submit it again. Now we submit the form successfully. Okay, that's all about setting certain fields in a workflow form as required in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.